So NFT Alpha for today is an official CryptoPunks drop in collaboration with Avant Arte. This is basically the second drop from CryptoPunks NFT project. This will be a physical canvas art drop, and even if you don't own a CryptoPunk yourself, you will be able to buy the 10,000 CryptoPunks canvas art. In case you own a CryptoPunk, you will be able to get your CryptoPunk on the canvas by itself. This will be a time-limited drop which will start in October 26th and go for 48 hours. And looking at the fact that we are in a bear market, the drop will probably be undervalued and go under many people's radar, and there probably will not be as many buyers as it would be in the bull market. This is why I think the prices of these art pieces will go up significantly in the next bull run, which will most likely come in 2025 if you believe in the 4-year cycles. And on the website it states that these art canvas will be traceable, so there will be some kind of technology inside of the canvas itself, which is really cool, and I hope for some extra NFTs as well. For more information, check the thread I made about the drop on the X platform, link in the description.